What's up, everybody? All right, so we're headed over to Puerto Rico right now to pick up the RX-7 and the Toyota Supra. We got a couple of our famous fans. Yeah! Check me out.
Oh shit!
Awesome! All right, we're gonna go ahead and head on over to Puerto Rico and show you how we're gonna pick up these cars. Let's go make some money. We just landed in San Juan. We're gonna go pick up the rental cars. So we can go and grab both of the cars. Take the boy out of the man, but you can't take the man out of the pack. That's the Pac-Man suit. Okay, so we just tried to register or get all the paperwork for the cars that we need. We have to go to a different office because the office here is a small express office and they can't do it here. We have to go to another state, right? Another city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bayamón. Sí, Bayamón. Bayamón, Puerto Rico.
Bayamón? Okay, that's where we gotta go. Yeah, we film right now.
Okay.
So we're here now. What's the name of this place? Centro de Servicio.
Centro de Servicio al Conductor.
Al Conductor.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're in Puerto Rico right now, and we're trying to go to this office here so we can get our documents from the U.S. government, so we can get those taken care of so that we can ship these vehicles out of here. So when we get this paperwork, all these stamps and everything we need, then we'll go ahead and get back with you guys. Okay, so we finally got the papels, all the paperwork for the Toyota Supra and the RX-7. Me, David,
Ivan,
and Ivan, live from Puerto Rico,
yeah.
Bayamón, San Juan. Back to the U.S. with the Supra and the RX-7 into Canada. We're gonna keep filming, so keep us locked in. We gotta eat now, though. We gotta eat, so we're eating at arroz con pollo. Desayuno and
almuerzo.
almuerzo.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So this is acá. This is where we gotta make sure that there's no debt on the vehicles that we're exporting. These guys are trying to find serial numbers on the cars. So how much paperwork have we done so far, Steve? It just keeps coming, right? It just keeps coming. More and more and more and more. This is us signing out from Puerto Rico. We'll see you next in Canada. Until next time.